Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the Manage Account Display settings in online banking. Learn how to show or hide eligible accounts in your online banking view. For the best experience, we recommend you use a laptop or desktop computer. To get started, visit SchoolsFirstFCU.org and log in to online banking. From My Accounts page, click the Account Display button. You'll now see all of your accounts. You can manage your joint account view by selecting the toggle button. If you move the toggle button to the right, a dark blue color will display and will make the account appear. The account will now be visible under the My Accounts page. In the upper right-hand corner of your window, you'll see a confirmation message indicating the selected account is now visible. By default, all your joint accounts are visible, but you can choose to hide them. To do so, simply move the toggle button to the left and a light blue color will display. The account will now be hidden from My Accounts page. In the upper right-hand corner of your window, you'll see a message confirming that your account is now hidden. This can be edited at any time. You'll also see a hidden notice next to your name and above the account type. If you want to rename an account so it displays differently, select the pencil icon located at the end of the current account name. You can enter a new name up to 30 characters long. Type in your new account name and select the check mark. You'll then receive a confirmation pop-up. The new account name will reflect under My Accounts. If you want to reset your account names, click the Revert to Original Account Names button. This will reset the names to the default names. When the pop-up window appears, click Continue to confirm your selection. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.